NidgeDFX. This is the season finale of 4, Chapter 7, No Safe Haven. Ren and Hammerhead made it back into town to check on RWBY and John and them. Turns out, though, that Headless Horseman, or whoever it was, that obviously showed the terrible, sad episode 10 of the backstory of Ren and Hammerhead, you know, and now he's going to have to meet his... He's going to have to take him on, either get revenge or he's going to have to get out of this dude's way. I don't know how powerful he is. I'm going to assume he's not as strong as the Scorpion guy, Tyrion. But anyways, before we begin, I'm not going to show any footage. I don't want to get another copyright strike. I won the first one, but it took a lot of privileges away for a month. So let's just get started here in 3, 2, 1, go. But yeah, after seeing the ending of that, it's like I couldn't put it down. I was like, I had to watch this. Obviously, I'm behind... A lot of you cats are on season 5. The good thing is, obviously, I'm getting closer and closer. And this show, the best part about this show is that it's not sluggish and drawn out like a lot of classic animes. Cough, Dragon Ball. Don't get me wrong, I love Dragon Ball. But I guess it makes sense why the anime was so long, because a lot of it really was just on purpose because of the manga had to always stay ahead. So I never knew that. I always thought like Akira Toriyama was just like somehow mastered the art of making as many episodes as possible and milking it for his company or something, you know? But I digress on that. So obviously the Scorpion Man did not get her approval, so he was crying and taking his frustration out on one of the Grimm. But yeah, dude, he's an amazing fighter. I'm just so waiting for the rematch. I wonder if Yang's going to be taking on... but it looks like Blake's going to actually confront her old boyfriend. I'm assuming that's her boyfriend. Unless that's like her... Maybe that's her brother. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know yet with Blake. But no spoilers, please, people. Or a redhead guy. I mean, I guess he doesn't look like Blake, but still. Oh, looks like the fight already started. Now, if that thing is not creepy, I don't know what is. Wasn't there a guy on top before? Oh, yep, there's definitely a guy on top. He was just taking a nap, but he's awake. And he wants that ass. Oh my god, he's coming. Ah! Get over here. Oh shit. Why did you run to him? He's gonna see you doing that. He probably didn't even know he was there. We gotta do something. You can hide. Nice. That makes sense then why the Raven underneath didn't see him. So that's what he can do. He can cloak. Too bad he's poisoned. He'd be a very good help right now. Huh? Woohoo! Oh! Too many limbs. Nice, though. I like his dual pistols. Don't lose those pistols. Yeah! I don't know. If he times it just right. Ring around the rosy. Yeah. Oh, we got donkey kicked. Oh, he's got broken ribs. That armor, though. He's probably okay. Nice. Yeah, who's your boy? I knew it. He just needs a little bit more of a stronger cut. Yes. He didn't like that. He ain't gonna forget about you now. Like, oh no! Damn, he's got some good CC there, you know what I'm saying? Or AoE. You think he'd be summoning more Grim by screaming like that? And... oh, damn! He even caught him in the air? No, his other hand's gonna get him. Here comes the team attack, right? Woo! Oh. I'm just hanging around. No! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh, she got D, whatever it's called. Yeah! Watch out for that donkey kick, though. Cut the arm off. It's stretched right now. It's perfect time. Oh. It's probably not as strong the more it stretches. Yeah, Ren's got this. Look at the eyes in him. Oh, boy. Man, he could take a beating, that's for sure. Well, then back him up. That's all you can do right now. Oh, no. Oh. Damn, both their shields are down. Oh, he's mad. Back to where they were. Oh, because we haven't seen this. Wow. Woohoo! There you go, girl. Aw. Oh. Aw. So you rather have them die? Aw. Nora. I gotta remember her name. Instead of Dora, Nora. Can't be that hard to remember, right? His dad's blade. Oh, man. So he's missing his guns. They got knocked around somewhere. Go for the head. Alright. Wow. She don't even need the rocket jump to get around. God, I love the way that they use her. That is so damn cool how she does that. Nice. See, get away from that. Nice. I'll take care of the rest, he said, huh? Nice. There, I was right. Ooh! Right in the freaking head. Well, see, when they're stretched out, they're so easy to... They're so easy to cut off. I was right on that. Because dude's been... Well, now that he's got nothing holding him back, you might want to be careful. He can actually get to you. And for Nora... So I was right. They were able to take him on. Oh! Suppose you check on Unks. Still hanging in there. No freaking juice. Oh shit, backups arrived. Is that Weiss? Who is that? Hell yeah, we're getting him airlifted out of there. Attaboy. How did they... Who sent that? Lucky them. Wow, that place is beautiful. Well, hang in there if you can, brother. She's actually cute with her hair like that. What? Aww. Yeah. Maybe this time he'll be the one with the hammer doing the pounding. Happy days. Crow's gonna be okay. Yes. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh. It's gonna be alright. That poison though. I'm surprised. Get yourself a shower and wash your clothes, huh? Just gonna write him a letter and leave. Oh boy. Oh. Haha. Well. So you got advanced technology but no cell phones. And he called Butler. I suppose Atlas is rich. I wonder what Yang's doing. He just gave her a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Nice bunch of cash. He's all sitting there counting them stacks. Original team. So what did you decide, Yang? You went after... Aww, you got the little puppy. His new weapon. It's a nice little speech here. I can see why this episode's longer. Yeah. Oh, that was the same captain. Then they rode the ship with Blake and them. And here's Oscar again. And he is the reincarnation of who? Uh-oh. Was it some type of training? Must be. Lost. Scribbles. Aww. Sign with my tears. It's actually really good voice acting here too. The emotion that she puts into this voice actor, it's a really good job. Well, she's already gone. She ain't even gonna get the letter. Bandits. Mistral. Did she go after Blake? Who did she go after in the end? I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Shit. One of those 4 horsemen evildoers. Created by Monty. R.I.P., buddy. I'm sure they're doing a good job keeping the story going, you know, and everything for Monty. That's a shame. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to watch this all the way through and listen to the song. So yeah, I guess to recap through all this, obviously Yang is back on her feet, doing things. She said, "You're so in trouble when I find you." I honestly don't know who she's talking about. When I saw the signs wait for her to go, it's kind of hard to say, really. I assume she's going after her mom. But the whole type of, then again, it is Yang's style. She's back to herself. RWBY? Was that supposed to be a crow in there too, or what? RWBY? So the team is still broken up, which is actually very, very, interesting. I do like this whole, how it took a whole twist, how they were all together, but they got separated. And I think it is cool that RWBY's working with the other 3, because I did like them. And yeah, like I said, Ren and Nora, that little bit of backstory to me was enough alone to show me what they've been through, and they did a good job of just cramping. I know it's like a rushed, but at the same time, it's like, no, it's like perfect. Just enough to give you an idea, and you can kind of fill in the cracks yourself. I mean, really. You know, other characters like Weiss, her life is so simple, so you have to easily, like, she needs more time than anybody as far as backstory. Clearly it shows that Crystal left originally. She was the original inheritor, so obviously it goes from oldest to youngest, and that little brat that didn't have any powers obviously wanted the whole company to begin with. So he definitely played his cards right, as far as not wanting to get into the battle of things, because obviously he can't fight, you know. And now Weiss is heading back in. She's going to find them, so she should find them pretty quick if she's heading right for the kingdom. So she did pretty good sneaking out, so I didn't know how well that was going to go. When she busted that window, I figured she was just going to just go right out the window, you know. So, and now she can actually summon freaking pets, basically, which is pretty badass. I'm looking forward to seeing how that works. This is a pretty cool song here, too, we're hearing in the end. I can't remember the singer, Amy or something like that. Whatever her name is, though. She really good vocalist, really good lyrics, too. I catch myself jamming to some of the titles of these songs, or the intros, in my car from time to time, you know. It's definitely well worth listening to. I'm not going to rate this season because I don't want to compare them to the other ones. I just, overall, like, the story started off, and to me, nothing really drug out. And like I said, that's probably the most noticeable thing about this that I like. Like I said, when it comes to, like, Naruto and, like, Ranma and Dragon Ball, and those are some of my, well, I shouldn't say Naruto because I don't really know much about it, but Ranma and Dragon Ball are, like, I grew up around that era, by the way, back in, like, 90s. It was, there's so much just, like, just get on with the show. Just get on with the show. Oh, Casey Lee Williams, there's her name. Jeff Williams, I'm assuming that's her father or husband. That's right, she was young when they made this, so The family, the fans, bunch of people. Make-A-Wish Foundation, Funimation. Wow, Fox. Wow. Interesting. If Funimation can back them up, that's cool. I could see them all being like a family and stuff like that, you know? Because, you know, well, that's why actually I think Funimation actually took them and put them on their website too. Like, I think you actually can watch this on their website too. Maybe that's where the thanks came from. Or maybe they just formed kind of a little mini alliance, you know? Networking, that type of thing. Security. The Incredible Ted. Oh, damn, you don't mess with him. Asta the dog. Dylan the cat. What the? Drake the rat. Snoop the rat. Kanye the rat. What the hell? It must be like all their animals or something. It has to be. Security is all their pets or something. Huh. I'm assuming they're going to show something here at the end. So that's why I'm definitely also waiting too. Oh, here we go. Closing time. Oh, Oscar. He found Crow. Pipsqueak. Mm. Hmm. Interesting. What is a pimp cane? Oh, that was pretty badass. Oz. So I don't remember Oz. Was he in the original ones and got killed off or something? Then he just reincarnated and inhabited another kid's body, or he's been dead for a long time? I don't remember now. You know, I mean, because I've been watching this for a few months, and my brain is I don't remember everything. So I'm assuming maybe next season is going to inform me about Oz. But as right now goes, that is official wrap for season 4. Obviously, season 5 came out this year, and they're still doing it. I'm going to do my best to get caught up with it. You guys let me know, though, in the comments below if you guys like me to drop more than one of these videos a day. I'm actually, at the rate I'm going, I'm only dropping one video a day, only Mondays through Friday. So at the rate I'm going, you guys won't be seeing this till probably March, and it's only the 22nd of February. So I sat down and I just binge watched it all with free time. I finally got caught up this whole month. I apologize before. That's why I haven't been releasing stuff. This has just been a very, very busy month for me. I've been pouring in at least about 60, 70, 80 hours doing other things I had to take care of first. So, but I'm back on track, and yeah. So anyways, y'all, if you guys like my reaction, want to join the Hood Nation, your chance to do so is going to be like right here. And like always, you know, we got that playlist to get your feet wet. If I need a cup of tea, y'all go find it. It's out there. Believe it. This is Nidge from DFX, and I'm out.